Hello everyone, this is a completely blind unboxing. Someone messaged me very randomly saying that they wanted to send me a gift. I asked a few questions before I finally gave information, so don't worry, but somebody was saying that they really liked my stuff and that they wanted to send me something. They said that they thought that I had like an elegant style, even though my stuff was creepy, which I really appreciated that because that's exactly what I'm shooting for. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so she's got a business card in here. The happy little home. Excuse Cersei, she is trying to be part of the home. So, sorry, Cersei. Okay, this is really cool. I didn't know that that she had like a business going on. I think, oh, she even put little notes on everything that's like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. I can definitely use this to make like a widow's walk or something on my house. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. I did not expect this. I kind of thought she was going to send me like maybe some little things that she wasn't using or something. This is really pretty. It looks like a really good solid plastic, maybe like a high quality resin. I'm not sure. Yeah. Let's see. I want to see this one first because it has a note on it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, so it says like that you can kind of put them in warm water and bend them to your liking, which is really cool because maybe I could use some of them on, what do you call it? The tower kind of part of my house. This is so generous. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm definitely going to be using some of these things. So, oh my gosh. I'm so glad that we've got like oblique lighting right now so you can appreciate this. That's funny. I have this frame and I made a mold of it too. This is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. These are like wall panels, if you've ever seen that. They're a little small for my house, but I can use them for like around a doorway or something. Love it. Love it. This is exactly the kind of stuff that I would use. Wow. This one's individually wrapped. Let's see why. Very nice. Check it out. One is painted and has, I think it's got like a little bit of resin on it, or maybe that's enamel. It's really pretty. Okay, let me move. This is so thoughtful. Like, she put so much time into these little notes. Like, this is how you should use this or how you can use it. That's so cool. Cirque de Freak. This is so unexpected. I really did not think it was gonna be like this much stuff. That's so awesome. How exciting. And she's like sending me messages. I'm so sorry that I haven't sent it yet. And oh my gosh, don't apologize for anything. You're freaking amazing. Thank you so much. She told me, this is one of the things she specifically talked about. She was like, I have these portraits that I think you would appreciate. Yeah, I really appreciate this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Resin pieces with different paint effects. It is just so nice that somebody saw my style, and even if they don't have the exact same style, they were still like, hey, I think this is stuff you can use. That's so cool. These are awesome. I'm always looking for special things like this. This is for sure my style. I love picture frames because I'm a photographer and an artist. This could be used as a shelf. This could be used as like the top of a window. I'm sure all of this stuff is kind of like what you can use it for. I imagine like the base of a fireplace. This is really pretty too. I just love picture frames and all these architectural details. Super cool. Well, I hope you saw the name of the business. I'll have to show the business card again when I'm done. This is obviously my style too. That was probably unintentional, but I love this. I love leather bags and stuff. I have like leather planners and everything. So let's get in here. Oh my gosh. I did not expect this, and I didn't think this video was gonna start getting long. I really thought I was gonna take like 2 things out of here and that was gonna be it. I can't believe this. Like the generosity of someone who I only met online. That's so cool. Definitely cool. I love this stuff. I can use this for sure. I make oddities and curiosities in full scale. So, oh, that's like a handmade bead. Handmade out of like, I remember doing these in school with like magazines. Some kind of, this reminds me of Art Deco, like it could be above a door or make like a really cool Art Deco window. I think this is like bits and bobs to be creative with, right? So, oh my gosh, yeah. Yep, I can use all of this. This is awesome. I know I just keep saying the same thing, this is awesome, but I'm gonna have to let her know how awesome I love everything. Looks like scissors almost. And then let's get to a small little vase, or maybe it's like a pitcher. Beautiful. A skull, of course, I need. Can use that for sure. I'm doing this under my coffee table because my coffee table is glass. So I'm sorry about any interruptions here. This is way cool. I love the detail added with like making a mirror look like it's really antique and already losing its shine kind of thing. I can't remember what that's called when the reflective part starts to go away. This is super useful. I love this stuff. Absolutely awesome. And hopefully I didn't make a mistake picking all this up at the same time. A little basket. That looks like a hat pin kind of. Looks like a lot of printables in here. Definitely more stuff my style. I already see a black raven. My daughter's middle name is Raven. So I definitely collect that kind of stuff. And copy of an antique Italian tile. Oh, I need to open this one. Let's see. Because it actually feels solid, so I want to touch it. It's not just a printed piece of paper. Let's see. Like, The back even looks like tile. I actually have an Italian, I have a piece of tile from Italy, and it looks exactly like this on the back. Wow. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. I know that's not what it is, but I'm going to pretend that it's like the Pied Piper calling children into the forest, because that makes it a little creepy. But oh my God, beautiful. Beautiful. Another really awesome piece. This is heavy. This is metal. There's like a cherub on top. Funny story, like I collect stuff like this now with the cherub. And when I was a kid, I thought they were the creepiest thing ever. My mom had a bunch of them. I thought they were so creepy. And I actually would have to like not look at them while falling asleep because she had them over her bed. In fact, I think they're probably still there. I thought they were so scary for some reason. And then one day I realized that they were angels, and they were still creepy to me. I don't know. But yeah, this is awesome. So now I keep them around because they remind me of my mom. Beautiful doors. I mean, who doesn't have some kind of addiction to beautiful doors and windows, right? Oh my gosh, this is like fully scored and embossed. Looks like tile. Like that would be pretty awesome to make a fountain or do like a backsplash in a bathroom. Ooh, that's pretty. That's everything. She says, sorry for typing. I love type. It's okay. I love handwriting too, but like I really love typing. It says, I really like your channel. It always cheers me up. There are a lot of people doing dark these days, but yours is so sweet and lovely. It's like those beautiful old things that are aged to perfection. It gives me the feeling of peace. I hope I find some things that you like. If I miss the mark, please feel free to share with other miniaturists. That would make me very happy. Oh my gosh, this is like one of the sweetest things that has happened to me in such a long time, especially in the miniature world. Like, I definitely have my moments where I'm like, how come I don't have more follows on TikTok? How come nobody's paying attention to my videos? Like, you know, I go to these events and I try to sell my work, and I'll get like, you know, those few great people who pass by and tell you that they love your stuff, but then kind of for the most part, it's like a lot of people letting you know that your style is weird and not in a good way. And I think weird is good, and I love being weird and different. But sometimes, you know, you still want to be treated like a normal person. But it's hard to find in any place really, but I'm finding it a lot in the miniature world. I don't know, this was so sweet. This made my day. Thank you so much, Becky. The happy little home. Check it out because obviously this stuff was awesome. Looks like there's an eBay shop, and yeah, I've definitely found some things on eBay, so that's one of my favorite places to find vintage, especially dollhouse stuff. So check out her shop. Amazing. I don't even know what to say anymore without just rambling and sounding so sad, because I can't believe somebody did something this nice for me in the miniature world. Thank you so much. Really, thank you.